Hello everyone, I am your advisor for today's ACAD seminar show. No, I'm just kidding. For today's ACAD seminar vlog, I am Filipina ACAD seminar speaker, Britney Asyon Amindato Imam. Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga babaeng love desperate, especially nowadays, dapat kasi when you smell something not good at the gas stove area, if you are near there, you should turn it off anymore. You don't have to wait for your chefs or chef for them to turn it off, the gas stove. Kapag may naaamoy ka na, habang it is yet early pa, habang maaga pa, sometimes dapat i-check mo yung sarili mo kung may nare-realize ka na ba. Hindi yung kapag it's late anymore or it's too late anymore, dun mo na marirealize yung sarili mo. Dun ka na magkakaroon ng regrets. Kasi mahirap yan eh. Yung realizations, kunyari, you are married anymore. Before you get married with that man, wala ka pang na-feel na hindi maganda sa kanya, na he is cheating on you. Pero when you are early as married woman, try to smell and even it's early, it's still early. Since you are new as married, it's still early. Mag-amoy ka na and try mong makipag-close sa previously interacted people ng husband mo o ng wife mo. Yung sa mga nakaka-interact na, try mong makipag-close din. Ipilit mo yung sarili mo na makipag-close sa kanila. Hindi yung nakikipag-interact ka lang in normal way. Try mong pilitin yung sarili mo na i-close sila. Kasi baka nandoon talaga yung effectiveness for you to not be ashamed in public. Nandun siya eh. Nandun yung correct remedy for you, no? Try mo din silang i-close kasi baka doon nila sa'yo may reveal yung truth, yung dark truth. While it's still early, try mo silang i-close. Ganon. And in terms of your attitude, kapag alam mo na may wrong attitude ka, hindi mo kailangan ng assurance ng iba. Actually, yung wrong attitude mo, you can educate yourself. Kasi educating yourself is much better and far better than being educated by someone else. So try to educate yourself if you cannot insist yourself to change from your wrong attitude. Diyan dadating ang destiny para sa'yo, di ba? Diyan dadating ang very beautiful destiny, right? Tapos, ikaw naman, actually, betrayal can sometimes be triggered by an innocent person revealing her best friend or friend or acquaintance dark secrets or dark secret. Ikaw, mag-ingat ka din. Hindi porket nakaka-interact mo na yan many times, makikipag-attach ka na sa kanya. Hindi mo kailangan i-attach yung sarili mo para lang may mapag-open upan ka na you are realizing something. You are at the point of your life that you are realizing something. At least you open up your dark secret. But at the same time, you open up to her or him na you are realizing and you are regretting from those scenes that you made. Kasi they can reveal you from time to time in social media. Even you are her best friend or just a friend, kahit na close na kayo, pwede ka pa rin niyang i-reveal. Magtatago at magtatago talaga yan. Hindi mo talaga yan mahanap. Kasi ayaw niyang mapahiya kasi may ni-reveal siya na dark secret ng isang star figure person. Ganun talaga yun.